Hello, my amazing English learner. I'm so happy you're here with me again today. Whether you're walking, working, cooking, or just relaxing with a cup of tea, thank you for pressing play. You are doing something truly beautiful for yourself, learning, growing, and showing up with courage. Today's episode is going to be extra special because we're going to talk about something that's very human, very real, and very helpful for your English fluency. We're going to learn how to talk about your feelings in English in a way that sounds natural, confident, and kind. Why is this so important? Because life isn't just about asking directions or ordering coffee. It's about expressing how you feel. It's about connecting with others. And it's about saying things like, I feel a little tired today. I'm really excited. I don't know how to explain it, but I feel nervous. These simple sentences can change everything. They make your English real, emotional, honest, and powerful. So today, I'll walk with you, step by step, through real-life feelings, daily expressions, and short conversations you can use in your own life. We'll listen, repeat, practice, and grow together. Ready to feel more confident, more connected, and more natural in English? Let's begin. Section 1. Why talking about feelings matters in English. Let's begin with something simple but powerful. Feelings matter. And when you learn to talk about your feelings in English, even in small, simple ways, you unlock something magical, real connection. Here's the thing, my lovely friend. Many English learners can say things like, "Where is the bus stop?" or "I would like a sandwich." That's great and necessary. But what happens when someone asks you, "How are you feeling today? Are you okay? What's wrong?" These are real-life questions. And if you can answer with confidence and honesty, even in basic English, you start to sound more natural, more fluent, and more human. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need long, fancy words. You just need the right words for the right moment. Imagine being able to say, "I'm feeling a bit stressed today. I'm so happy right now. I feel lonely sometimes, but I'm working on it. I'm proud of myself. I tried something new." These short sentences are beautiful. They show your heart, and they help people truly understand you. In this episode, you'll learn how to name common feelings in simple English, how to express emotions in everyday conversations, how to respond when someone talks about their feelings, and how to use these expressions naturally in your daily life. And don't worry, I'll guide you the whole way. You'll hear the expressions, repeat them after me, and practice together like we always do. So let's take a deep breath and get ready to explore the language of the heart in English. Section 2. Common feeling words you can use every day. All right, my wonderful learner, now that we understand why talking about feelings is so important, let's start with some simple but powerful words you can use right away. Feelings are like colors, they come in many shades, but we can start with the basics. Here are some common feeling words that you'll hear and use every day. Happy, when you feel good and joyful. Sad, when you feel unhappy or down. Tired, when you feel sleepy or need rest. Excited, when you feel very happy about something coming up. Angry, when you feel upset or mad. Nervous, when you feel a little scared or worried. Proud, when you feel good about something you did. Calm, when you feel peaceful and relaxed. Lonely, when you feel like you want company or friends. Confused, when you don't understand something and feel unsure. Try saying each word out loud with me. Don't worry about perfect pronunciation. Just feel the word and say it confidently. Now, let's see how to use these words in simple sentences. I am happy today because the sun is shining. She feels sad when it rains all day. I'm a bit tired after work. We're excited for the party tomorrow. He is angry because he lost his keys. I feel nervous before my English test. You should be proud of your progress. After yoga, I feel very calm. Sometimes I feel lonely when I'm at home alone. I was confused by the difficult question. Using these simple sentences will help you express your feelings clearly and naturally. Remember, feelings are part of being human, and the more you practice sharing them in English, the more confident and real your conversations will become. Section 3. How to talk about your feelings in everyday conversations. Welcome back, amazing learner. Now that you know some common feeling words, let's practice using them in real conversations. Talking about feelings is not only useful, it helps you connect with others and make your English sound warm and natural. Here are some simple, friendly ways to ask and answer questions about feelings. Asking about feelings. How are you feeling today? Are you happy? Do you feel tired? What makes you excited? Why do you feel nervous? Answering about feelings. I'm feeling happy because I saw my best friend. Yes, I'm a little tired after a long day. I feel excited about my vacation next week. I'm nervous because I have a big presentation. I'm sad today because it's raining. Mini conversation example. A. Hi. How are you feeling today? B. I'm feeling great, thanks. I'm excited because it's Friday. A. That's awesome. I'm a bit tired after work. B. I understand. Maybe you can rest this weekend. Try practicing these questions and answers out loud. You can even try talking to yourself or with a friend. It's okay if you make mistakes, that's how you learn. Remember, sharing feelings makes your English more real and helps you build better friendships. It's a wonderful way to practice speaking naturally. Section 4. Tips to make talking about feelings easy and fun. You're doing great so far. Now let's add some simple tips to make talking about your feelings even easier and more enjoyable. 1. Use simple words and short sentences. Don't worry about using big or fancy words. The most important thing is to say how you feel clearly. For example, instead of I am exhilarated, say I am very happy. Instead of I am apprehensive, say I am a little nervous. 2. Add why you feel that way. When you share why you feel something, your conversation becomes more interesting and personal. For example, I'm happy because I passed my exam. I'm tired because I worked all day. 3. Practice with your daily routine. Try talking about your feelings during everyday moments. For example, I feel relaxed when I drink tea. I feel excited when I listen to music. 4. Use your body language. Smile, nod, or use hand gestures when you speak. This makes your speaking more natural and fun. Even if you're practicing alone, try it in front of a mirror. 5. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Remember, making mistakes is part of learning. Every time you speak, you get better and more confident. So speak up and enjoy the process. 6. Try journaling in English. Write down how you feel each day in simple sentences. This helps you practice vocabulary and organize your thoughts. Section 5. Fun practice. Talking about your feelings every day. Awesome! Now, let's put those tips into action with some simple, everyday practice ideas to help you talk about your feelings naturally. 1. Daily feelings check-in. Every morning or evening, say out loud how you're feeling and why. For example, today I feel happy because I had a good sleep. Right now, I feel a little tired because I worked a lot. 2. Share with a friend or family member. Try telling someone close to you about your feelings in English. You could say, I'm excited about the weekend. I'm a bit nervous about my test tomorrow. 3. Use simple questions to start. If you don't know what to say, use easy questions to start a conversation. How do you feel today? What made you happy this week? 4. Keep a feelings diary. Write 2 to 3 sentences every day about your emotions. It's a great way to practice vocabulary and sentence structure. 5. Practice in front of a mirror. Talk to yourself in the mirror about how you feel. It may feel funny, but it really helps build confidence. 6. Listen and repeat feelings phrases. Find simple audio or videos where people talk about feelings and practice repeating after them. This improves your pronunciation and comfort with emotion words. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it becomes. Talking about your feelings is a wonderful way to connect with others and express yourself clearly. Keep going, you're doing amazing. Section 6. Building confidence. It's okay to make mistakes. Hey, here's something super important to remember. Making mistakes is a natural part of learning English, and it's totally okay. Don't let the fear of messing up stop you from speaking. Every mistake you make is actually a step forward, helping you get better and stronger. Why mistakes are good? Mistakes show you're trying and practicing. That's how learning happens. When you correct a mistake, your brain remembers the right way next time. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. Nobody is perfect. How to build confidence despite mistakes. Celebrate your small wins, like finishing a sentence or using a new word. If you're unsure, just keep going. Don't stop to overthink. Think of mistakes as learning moments, not failures. Practice speaking with friends or by yourself so you feel relaxed and less nervous. Remind yourself, I'm learning and improving every day. Quick tip, use simple sentences first. Don't worry about making complicated sentences perfect. Start with easy, clear sentences and add more as you grow. The goal is to communicate, not to be perfect. You're brave for speaking English. Keep that bravery alive. Every time you speak, you're growing closer to your goal. Mistakes? Just part of the journey. Keep shining. Section 7. Practice speaking every day. Small steps, big progress. Hey friend, here's a little secret. The best way to get better at English is to speak a little bit every single day. It doesn't have to be perfect or long. Just a few minutes will do wonders for your confidence and skills. Why daily practice matters. Your brain loves repetition. The more you use English, the easier it becomes. Speaking daily helps you remember words and phrases naturally. It builds your confidence bit by bit, so you won't feel shy or nervous. Easy ways to practice speaking every day. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing or how you're feeling. Practice with a friend or language partner, even if it's just a quick chat. Use apps or online tools to speak and listen. Repeat short sentences or phrases from podcasts or videos you like. Make it fun. Turn your practice into a game. Try telling a story, role-play a conversation, or even sing along to an English song. The more fun you have, the more you'll want to keep going. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Just a few minutes every day adds up to amazing progress over time. Keep speaking, Keep smiling and watch your English grow. Section 8. Celebrate your progress and stay positive. Hey, wonderful learner. Learning English is a journey, and every step you take is a big achievement. Sometimes it might feel slow or tricky, but celebrating your progress will keep you motivated and happy along the way. Why celebrating matters. It boosts your confidence and reminds you how far you've come. It turns learning into a positive experience, making you want to keep going. It helps you focus on your successes, not just the challenges. How to celebrate your progress. Keep a journal and write down new words or phrases you've learned. Record yourself speaking now and then listen back after a few weeks to hear your improvement. Share your successes with friends, family, or your language community. Reward yourself with something you enjoy when you reach a goal, like watching a favorite show or a tasty treat. Stay positive through challenges. Remember, everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. Mistakes are proof you're trying, learning, and growing. When you feel stuck, take a deep breath and remind yourself of your goal, becoming confident and fluent step by step. You're doing amazing. Keep shining, keep smiling, and celebrate every little victory. Your English journey is unique and beautiful, just like you. Section 9. Make English a fun part of your life. Hey there! Learning English doesn't have to feel like a boring task or hard work all the time. In fact, making it fun is one of the best ways to keep improving naturally and enjoy every moment of your learning journey. How to make English fun. Watch movies and TV shows you love with English subtitles. Enjoy the story while picking up new words and phrases. Listen to English music or podcasts that interest you. Singing along or following the story helps your listening and speaking skills. Play games in English, whether it's word puzzles, apps, or online games. It's a playful way to learn vocabulary. Read simple books or comics that excite you. The more you enjoy it, the easier it is to remember new words. Join English clubs or online groups where you can chat, share, and have fun with other learners like you. Why fun matters. When learning is enjoyable, you naturally spend more time practicing. Your brain connects better with the language because it feels relaxed and interested. Fun creates positive memories linked to English, making it easier to keep coming back and improving. So, find what makes you happy in English and dive in. Whether it's a cool movie, a catchy song, or a funny game, make English a joyful part of your day. Your learning will feel light, easy, and exciting. Keep having fun and watch your English grow effortlessly. Wow, my amazing English learner, you've done such a great job today. Remember, learning English is a beautiful journey, sometimes challenging, but always full of exciting moments and wonderful progress. Keep practicing every day, even if it's just a little bit. Speak out loud, listen closely, think in English, and most importantly, don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are just stepping stones on your path to fluency. You are brave, you are capable, and you are growing stronger with every word you say. I believe in you, and I'm here cheering you on every step of the way. So go out there, have fun with English, speak with confidence, and keep shining bright. Your fluency is closer than you think. Until next time, keep smiling, keep learning, and remember, you can do this. See you in the next episode.